Tower of London.
Okay, are they two different things? Hey guys, so after my flight lesson, we have brought you here to the Tower of London.
Yeah.
So
It's one of the oldest castles.
let's so I have a question. Where's the tower?
Yeah. It's cool.
Where?
That is it.
Where people are up there?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
There's
Okay.
Tower Bridge over there somewhere.
Okay.
You can cross over and go over.
All right. If you're crossing over, that's better. But welcome to the Tower of London. Guys, this is the Tower Hill Memorial, 1914 to 1918. People who lost their lives at sea.
This is the Ministry of Defence.
Oh, Ministry of Defense. So all these are names of people who died at sea, right? During the war.
That used to be the Admiralty in World War II.
There are like lots and lots of names here. Lots and lots of names. We are done. We go to the next.
That's the Tower of London over there. Huge.
Yeah. So we are headed to the Tower of London.
That's the Tower of London.
That one over there or this one here?
Yeah, that thing. See here?
Yeah.
That thing there, the keep.
Oh,
It was
the
a
keep.
prison for.
The keep.
So they killed a king. The king's wife they killed. It's like when they kept royal people. There's also a fort.
Prison. That's the Fortress Palace Prison. Yes, I'm here.
Oh. Get on over here.
Yes. Can you take a photo of me? I read somewhere that there is a tower that
Opens up.
yeah, is it that
one,
one?
yeah.
It opens up
Yeah.
for the ship to pass and then closes.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are still walking in London. What is the time?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
5 p.m.
5 p.m. So we have how many hours left for Wales?
It's at 12, but we'll get there before.
We have like 7 more hours waiting. This is like a layover.
Yeah.
This are, so guys, we are walking. We are going to Parliament, right?
Going through the
Oh
dodgy-
god, this is where we are walking. We made it. This is this a safe area to pass?
It's off his head, close.
Oh, is this a safe area to pass?
They get moved on by the cops and those.
Okay, okay.
I
So
wouldn't
this,
at night, and it is pretty good. Those like
yeah, just like back home, there's some places you can't walk at night. The streets. This is a really cute restaurant or whatever it is. It's really cute. We go up or down. So we are still walking in London, guys. We are still at
Yes,
Thames.
we are.
Thames River is right here. Where are we going? Parliament.
Oh, that's the plan. If we don't miss it.
That's the plan to the Parliament. Uber boats are passing down the Thames River. I don't know if it's called the Thames River or Thames River. I hear people say Thames.
Thames. I say Thames.
Okay. So we keep walking.
Yeah.
We are not Londoners.
Little ship club.
Alright, my hand is tired. I'm gonna keep you off, guys, until I reach to a place where we can also continue. But the good thing about this place, guys, is that I can vlog. I can never do this in Nairobi. I can never do this in Nairobi. Here it's like it's normal. People are used to seeing people talking to themselves. I think there are so many maybe mad people. I don't know. Like it's a normal thing, not like back home where you talk and everybody will be looking at you weirdly. So I'm excited. I don't know if you guys will watch this video. So I'm right here. Where is this? This is Riverscape Southwark Bridge. How do we go? Oh, like that. Here. Aha. Southwark Bridge. Now this is Southwark Bridge.
Yeah.
The other one is let's see where we are, guys. And the red buses here. These are the buses that tell people you are in London. The red. I think red is your color. Red is London's color.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. This is where we are headed, guys. Westminster Parliament Square. Westminster Parliament Square. Westminster. So hard to pro. We're going down.
Do you want to go through the thingy?
Okay. This is our course, Thames course.
Yeah, back on the beach.
This one here, this one, and the bus. Yeah, and the
Thank you.
£2.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Do you have any bags at all? Yeah, cheers. Yeah.
Thank you. We're taking photos. So guys, we made it to the Parliament here in London, which I'm gonna show you in a moment. That is the Parliament.
Yeah.
And this whole thing. Oh, wait, I
That's
can't.
big there.
Yeah.
Then that is Westminster Cathedral.
Okay.
Westminster Abbey. Yeah.
This one. Where are we?
House of Parliament, Big Ben, the church, big ass church.
Wait, House of Parliament? Where is Big Ben? Big Ben is this tall thing.
Yeah.
Okay, and then?
That is.
And
Westminster Abbey.
that's Winston Churchill there.
Yeah.
Can
Nelson Mandela.
Ah, that's Nelson Mandela. Alright. So guys, it's now 7 o'clock here. Still so how many hours are we remaining? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4 more. 5 hours.
5 hours, yeah.
5 more hours till our trip to Wales. And here we go, crossing. Managed to cross. We are going to a restaurant called Wagamama.
That's where the kings are crowned.
Oh, this is where the king are crowned.
Yeah.
Okay. This is where Queen Elizabeth was crowned.
This is where the funeral was. I think. No, her funeral was too. The king.
Wait, this thing. Oh, yeah, it's up there. This is where?
Westminster Abbey.
Okay. We'll go to the other side. Alright, let's go. So, guys, because it's summer here, it's really bright at this time of the hour, when technically actually guys, it's 7 at night. When back home 7 at time like this, it could be very, very dark, like very dark. So we are walking down the restaurant, and I'm gonna end this video here so that I can start another one for our journey to Wales, right?
Yeah.
It's a 4-hour journey to Wales. I'm gonna start that after ending this one. So guys, kindly let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next video.
After so